Oh, Great Ohio, an amazing place with amazing things. It has everything you could imagine: festivals, water parks, hotels, and more. Let's check out some of the wonders of Ohio. You should check out the Great Wolf Lodge. It is a place where beings of all ages can have fun, relax, and splash around in the water. For example, they have a huge water park with tons of slides like the Hydro Plunge, the Triple Twist, and a new slide that projects images onto the wall while you're going down. And if you have small children, they can have tons of fun in the Whooping Hollow. It's a small water park where tots can enjoy safe, slow slides and lots of splashing. And if you like fun games and prizes, the Northern Lights Arcade is for you. It has lots of things to do, like air hockey, basketball, car racing, and much more. You should also check out the variety of restaurants that serve delicious food for the whole family. And if you are tuckered out from all the fun you're having, you should check out the Element Spa or the Kids Scoop Spa if you're a kid and you need to relax. And if you are needing a nice exercise, you should check out the Iron Horse Fitness Center. And if your kids want to bowl, you should take them to the Ten Paw Alley with half-size lanes and smaller bowling balls, so your kid can have a good time. And even better, the prices are amazing. You can stay in a family suite for $307.49. But you do know that Great Wolf Lodge isn't the only thing in Ohio. There are other things like Splash Cincinnati, Maui Sands, Kalahari Resorts, or Rainwater Park Complex. Cedar Point is an awesome water park near Lake Erie with huge water slides, roller coasters, and so much more. You can do many things at Cedar Point, which includes a cruise on Lake Erie, rides on thrilling roller coasters, which include Slingshot, Power Tower, and much more. You can also rent a Lakeview cabin or just chillax on one of the lounge chairs. Cedar Point is a place to just be yourself and not worry about anything at all, or to have an insane adrenaline rush on our rides for thrill seekers. You should also check out the awesome water park that has super fun rides like Point Plummet or Portside Plunge. You should come to Cedar Point as well. The Greater Cleveland Aquarium is a nice, fun aquarium in Ohio. It has many things to do like the Discovery Zone, where you can find many types of fish, jellyfish, and much more. You can even watch close-up footage of real-life sharks and other fish. You can also check out the various fish and other exhibits, like the stingrays or sea turtles. And if you have a special event or something, you can swim with the sharks. You can also find many tropical fish in the Tropical Reef, which has 3 sections. You should definitely come to the Greater Cleveland Aquarium, too. Ohio is an amazing state with tons of fun things to do. It is the pinpoint of fun and exciting things. So come on down to Ohio.